Hello chat, welcome. How are you guys doing today? Welcome. Today's nature episode 3. Fishing at Dorshak Dam and Reservoir. Let's focus on the side right now. You guys didn't see anything. I smell like cheese, yes I do. Welcome to Dorshak Dam and Reservoir, boating, fishing, camp, swimming, and picnicking, along with hunting, hacking, and wildlife viewing, are just some of the Dorshak Reservoir's recreational activities. Sorry, chat, I just wanted to sing that one. And then we go down to the factories at Dorshak. And I want you guys to look at those real well before I move on. If you need to, write those down and pause the video. Hold on, chat, hold up. Thing is about to freaking piss me off. So here's our I don't know if you guys can see that, but British types of fish in the Dorshak. Native. Just look at these well. And I'll start moving up. In 3, 2, 1. Picture of the fishies. Fishing opportunities on a... My words are so bad today, chat. I smell like cheese. There is no... You guys can say it better than I do, I think. And there's bass, steelhead trout, and Chinook salmon. Rainbow trout, bull trout, and then we skip on to this part. Fishing, right? Just look at those. Those are phone numbers. And this is the picture. Back here. And then the very back. I show the contact information just in case you have any interest into it. Goodbye, my little chicken nuggets. Goodbye.